Which one is he? This one or that one? Yeah? Well done. Ah, that's wrong, that one. That was right. You got that one right. And we're going to do this sheet now.
Hi, friends.
Today we're going to open Maya Rochelle's learning activity table. Let's open it.
Activity table.
Just put it flat. Let's open.
Come here. I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
And that one? That side here. There you go. Right, open, babies. That's the table stand. Let's take everything out.
Sticker here. Sticker.
This is the table. This is your learning activity. Yeah, you can put stickers on here. Look, Rochelle, A, B, C. A for apple.
B for apple.
B for ball.
B for apple. B for apple. Different.
Press again on the dot. Well done. That means you got the right answer. That's his shadow. Whose shadow does this belong to?
This one goes
Try
in
it.
the black one.
Try it.
This one goes in the black one.
Well done. That means you got it right. Whose shadow does this belong to? Whose silhouette is that?
Shadow.
That one. Yeah.
That one. That one goes in. This one goes in the shower.
That's the wrong answer. You need to press on the character and then you have to choose one of these options, okay? So can I show you? Can Mummy show you? Which character do you want to choose now? The blue one?
The blue one.
Okay, so click on press on the blue one.
Where's the green shadow?
Well done. How many is in this one? Count how many there are.
3.
Yeah. Do you want to stick it on here or something, like on the side? Stick it on the side? Yeah. There you go. Do you want to put more stickers on?
Yes.
Well done.
Yay!
There you go. That's it. Stick it on.
Stick it on.
There you go. Press down. That's it.